Hello friends, today we are going to start second life process, that is cell division. Cell division is the most important life process with which a new organism can form. Every cell arises from the pre-existing cell. Cell division is the process in which a cell divides into two or more daughter cells. The cell cycle consists of two steps, that are interphase and meiotic phase. First, we will consider what is interphase. In the process of interphase, actually it is considered as a rest phase. But while the two cells will get formed, that time the DNA material or whatever nuclear matter is there, that should get increased. In interphase, what happens? The nuclear matter increases, DNA replication takes place, synthesis of histone protein takes place, the energy rich molecules will also get formed. This interphase is common in mitosis and meiosis. There are two methods of cell division. First is mitosis and second is meiosis. Today we are going to study in detail about mitosis. This process of mitosis completes in two steps. First step is karyokinesis, in which nuclear division completes, and the second process is cytokinesis, in which cytoplasm get divided. In the process of mitosis, two daughter cell will get formed which are identical to its parent cell. The number of chromosomes in two daughter cell remains same as that of parent cell. Means if a cell will have 2n number of chromosomes, the after division both the daughter cells will also have 2n number of chromosomes. After interphase, mitosis completes with the four phases. These four phases are prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These all the processes we are going to study in detail with this next, whatever the pictures I had given, or with one video also I had explained it. In your textbook the figures are given which are not clear. So students, you are going to copy down the figures which I had given. Then we will see one by one. First we will study prophase. During prophase, condensation of thin thread-like chromosomes starts. Chromosomes become short, thick. They start to appear along their pair of sister chromatid. Centroid duplicate. Centroid move to opposite pole of the cell. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus start to disappear. Second phase, metaphase. Nuclear membrane completely disappear. Chromosome complete their condensation. They clearly visible along sister chromatid. Chromosomes are arranged parallel to equatorial plane. Special protein fibers, spindle fibers, are formed between centromere of each chromosome and both centroid. Anaphase. Here centromere split. Sister chromatid of each chromosome separate and pull in opposite direction with the help of spindle fibers. Separated sister chromatid are called daughter chromosome. In this way, each set of chromosomes reach at two opposite poles of the fourth stage of the mitosis is telophase. Here, chromosomes have reached at opposite pole of the cell. Now start to decondense. Chromosomes again become thin thread and invisible. Nuclear membrane is formed around each set of chromosomes. Two daughter nuclei are formed. Nucleolus also appear. Spindle fibers completely disappear. This process of mitosis is necessary for regeneration of organ, and it is also necessary for the growth of the animal. It consists of 4 phases. Just now we had seen prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. That is karyokinesis, the first stage of mitosis. The second stage is the division of cytoplasm, cytokinesis. During interphase, the nuclear matter doubles. The number of chromosomes increases up to 4n. After that, prophase. Just now we had seen that chromatin fibers that condenses and start to appear with their sister chromatid to centroid duplicates and move towards the poles of the cell. Next stage is metaphase. During metaphase, the spindle fibers start to form between the two centroids. Then all the chromosomes are arranged parallel on the equatorial plane of the cell, and they will be connected with each other with chromatin fiber that is known as a spindle fibers. Next stage, anaphase. Centromere split. Sister chromatid of each chromosome separate and pull in opposite direction with the help of spindle fibers. Now separated sister chromatids that are known as sister chromatids, they will reach to the opposite poles of the cell. You can observe it here. It appears like a bunches of banana. Then the last stage, telophase. This will be the complete process. Chromosomes reach to the pole. Then now these chromosomes will start to decondense. Again it becomes thin and invisible. Nuclear membrane, again it forms around each set of chromosomes. 2 daughter nuclei are formed. Nucleolus also appear. Spindle fibers completely disappear. After that, there is a stage of cytokinesis. The cytoplasm of the cell get divided into 2 parts and 2 daughter cells will form. Here in this process, for plant cell, cell plate will get formed and the 2 daughter cells will get separated. For animal cell, notch will get formed and 2 cells will get separated. In this way, mitosis takes place in the cell and 2 daughter cells will get formed.